quite the case. The prosecution is alleging that this guy is a maniac. He butchered his wife, put her in different locations, and he's been lying to pretty much everybody in his circle for years. And we've seen a succession of witnesses talking about being deceived. Now we've got the latest wife of his on the stand. What's your overall take of this case, and how do you think the state is doing?
As of right now, I think the state is doing incredibly well. I think they've done a great job of establishing, as you said, that this man is a liar. He lied to the victim's parents. He lied to the woman he allegedly ran away with. And I think what's notable, too, is if the jury were to look at his expression, like how we can see on court TV, we can see moments where, his ex-wife is very emotional, talking about how hurt she felt. And he just has a neutral expression, up-tilted face. We don't see a lot of empathy and compassion, and I think that's what the jury sees. I think also that the defense's main argument that there's this Jim McIntyre who's ultimately, involved in a number of things, potentially the mastermind of the whole thing. The fact that we really haven't heard anything about him really makes it seem like all the evidence right now is pointing towards the state.
And if he takes the stand, can he convince anybody of Jim McIntyre, given the groundwork the state's provided in terms of skepticism that, the jury's going to inherently have?
I think it's incredibly hard. I imagine the jury is incredibly skeptical. It'd probably have to be not only his testimony, but probably a couple other witnesses who haven't had their credibility absolutely destroyed like his has been.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's get a break. When we come back, we will have more of the last wife of the defendant. The state says he butchered his wife so he could be with this author. She continues after this.
Vegas, stand up! Friday nights, the WNBA is on Ion. The Liberty face the Wings. Then, the Aces host the Storm. She was feeling it. Coverage starts tonight at 7. Find Ion wherever you watch. Ion, it's on.
A woman's remains found scattered throughout a 3-mile area.
Now, a former naval officer stands trial accused of killing his wife.
The Dismembered Wife Murder Trial. Live coverage today on Court TV.